Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Now, today we discuss question answers of our chapter, a dialogue with Bill Gates. Okay, so everyone open your notebook and start writing. First of all, orally questions. Question number 1 is what? Which software company was set up by Bill Gates and when? By Bill Gates and when? Bill Gates set up Microsoft in 1976. Question 2. Describe the early childhood days of Bill Gates. Early childhood days of Bill Gates. Bill Gates grew up in an upper middle class family with two sisters. It was a warm, close relationship, warm, close, knit family, and the parents encouraged the children to be competitive and to strive for excellence. Third is, which tragic event in 1994 affected Bill Gates and how? Bill Gates and how? In 1994, Bill Gates was very badly affected by his mother's death due to cancer. He decided to devote effort and money to charity. According to Bill Gates, in which four sectors will the lives of the poor change a lot in the next 15 years. According to Bill Gates, health, farming, education, and finance are the four sectors in which the lives of the poor will change a lot during the next 15 years. Now next, question number B, tick the correct. First is the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, as answer is poured in billions of dollars into medical research in developing countries. Second is what? With growth in world population, Bill Gates feel that food productivity needs to grow so what is the answer? People may have more food and nutritious food. Bill Gates feel that in future in the field of education, there will be broader network between the learners, teachers, friends and parents. Okay, so you all take in book only. Now fill in the blanks. Leave after when school open, then we discuss these fill in the blanks, not necessary. Now first of all, now open D, answer the following questions. Question answer. Question number 1, answer the following questions. How will Gates, now question D, answer question number 1, how will Gates performance in Lakeside School. Answer 1 is Bill Gates excelled in all subjects. Especially maths and science at school. He was also good in drama. And English. And was especially interested in computers. Clear? Now second question is, what did Bill Gates realize after his mother passed away? After his mother passed away. After his mother passed away, he realized that he had an obligation to give more of his wealth to charity. Third question is, what were the main aims behind setting up the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The main aims of the Bill and Melinda Gates. The main aims of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation are to improve healthcare, and reduce poverty globally. Question number 4 is what? State the various sectors where Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has been actively involved in India. Answer 4th is it works in the areas of health farming, education and finance in India. It has focused on maternal and child health, nutrition and health vaccines and services, immunization, family planning, sanitation, agricultural development, control of infectious diseases, AIDS and polio eradication. So these are the 4 questions. Now note down. Now next question number 5 is mention the various organizations in India that help the Bill and Melinda Gates foundation, Melinda Gates Foundation, to carry out its work. To carry out its work. The foundation works. The foundation works with the central and state government, with the central and state government of India, non-profit organizations, community groups, academic institutions, and the private sector, Question 6 is what? How will things improve? How will things improve in the healthcare sector in the next 15 years? 15 years, according to Bill Gates. According to Bill Gates. In the healthcare sector, the foundation work, will be related to upstream science, invent vaccines mainly for diseases, like diarrhea and respiratory illness, and reach children across the world. And reach children across the world. Next is state three ways in which food productivity can improve in the world according to Bill Gates. Can improve the world according to Bill Gates. So, three ways. First way is use better seeds, and second B is adopt two crop method per season and crop rotation And third way is C is create a credit system. Create a credit system to enable farmers. To enable farmers. Clear? So these are 7 question answers. 8th question is, what are the drastic changes that Bill Gates foresees in the field of education in the future. So answer is, he wishes to create broader network between the learners, teachers and parents and friends. After I write upside, parents and friends with better quality and more information being available on phone, tablet, etc. It will be more interactive. With initial focus on developing the basics and writing in poor countries and educating the girl child. So here your question answers are completed. Chapter is also over. Thank you and have a nice day.